forward.
Like a massive. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is the continuation of the video yesterday about Kenneth Aguba, the veteran Nollywood actor. You could see he's already dancing now with smiles and loads of smiles on his face. He was moved from Enugu to Port Harcourt at the OPM Free Estate in Port Harcourt, which we all know. The man dancing with him here is Apostle Chibuzor, who is the general overseer of OPM ministry in Port Harcourt. That's Omega Power Ministry. Yes, the entire tour of the house, the new house he was given, and everything, the whole story is what I'll be sharing with you here in this video. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to drop a comment. Mind you, we are giving credit to people who actually get some of this clip. We are giving credit to Uncle J Comedy here. He's actually one of the person who find this guy out and take him to Port Harcourt. Enjoy the video. Don't forget to subscribe.
That's good.
Please will be blowing you. No more when you are sleeping. See your own toilet. Only you use the toilet. You want to shit through the place, shit through the place.
SS power.
SS.
See the shit now. Now, kitchen utensils, pots, plates, everything is for you. Gas is on its way. Bringing gas for you to use the cook. Hold your key. See your bed. You're not going to sleep outside.
Can do. SS forward.
Like a massive.
Welcome back to a new life. Welcome back to a new life.
Oh yeah, stand up. Take your key. So now, let me carry you to the hospital where you can do something. This is your key. You finish, you lock your door. Here. Feeding. You receive, you be fed morning, afternoon, night. Morning, afternoon, night. Fridge.
Oh yes, I'm tired. I'm the one who here. I'm tired. What you send me? Who are you married? Did you marry? Who are you? What you? I'm watching you from so you would have.
Okay, keep now. So you now watch television. Fridge. I go to work fridge. Then they tell them there the fridge. You know, I'm
You'll be drinking cold water. They are bringing the fridge. So you'll be drinking cold water. The toilet, only you be using it. This is a safe hotel. Only you. There is generator. There is a standby generator.
Daddy like no other.
God bless you. Come. Give him the Bible. Assign a teacher that will be teaching him the word of God.
Surface.
I want you to begin to impart the word of God on him. Give him the Bible, teach him, so that can get him baptized. He will be close to God. God will wipe away your tears. You will no longer sleep outside. You see this place? You will live here forever. Okay, you enjoy your house. So, you will teach you of then, tomorrow, after, but right now you go to the hospital, so you can take some medical and treat you and everything. Tomorrow, you go for shopping. This thing where we are is right. All these things will be thrown away. You buy brand new clothes, see the shoe where we are. What kind of shoe is this? This is Mongo Park shoe. We have to throw away all this shoe. Yes. We'll buy you new shoe, buy you new trouser, buy you new drawers, buy you new everything. No more. Your suffering is over. Then, like I told in the house, I'm going to marry for you a good wife that will take care of you. You have children. You will no longer have problem. Are you hearing me? Your problem is over. I will pay the bride price. I will do the weddings. I will invite all the whole Nollywood people to come to your weddings.
Jesus in my
So don't worry. Okay, let's go to the hospital.
You are the God of miracles, life changer, protocol breaker, Except power.
Let us go to the hospital so I can take some.